Here's a step-by-step guide to cancel recurring payments on Cash App. Step 1. Open the Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device, iOS or Android. Step 2. Access your profile. In the top right corner, tap on the profile icon or your profile photo. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find the option labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it. Step 4. Navigate to Recurring Payments. Under Privacy and Security, look for Recurring Payments or Autopay options. If you don't see it immediately, you can also check Subscriptions or use the search function within Cash App. Step 5. Select the recurring payment you want to cancel. Find the subscription or recurring payment you wish to cancel from the list and tap on it. Step 6. Cancel the payment. Once inside the details of that payment, you should see an option to cancel the recurring payment. Tap Cancel and follow any additional prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 7. Verify cancellation. After canceling, you can go back to the recurring payments section to ensure that it no longer appears there. You can also check the Activity tab on the Cash App home screen to ensure no future payments are scheduled. That's it. You have successfully canceled a recurring payment on Cash App. Let me know if you need further help with this.